In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict downloads of shared files in Google Drive, a feature that can be particularly useful if you want to maintain control over how your files are accessed and shared with others. Whether you're collaborating on sensitive projects or sharing documents within a controlled group, learning to manage file accessibility is essential. First, we'll start by navigating to Google Drive. You'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive sign-in page. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your Google Drive account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. Next, find and select the file you want to restrict. You can do this by simply scrolling through your documents or using the search bar located at the top of the page to quickly locate the desired file. Once you've located it, click on the file to select it. This will highlight the file and open up several options. Now let's look at how to access the sharing settings. You'll notice three little dots, also known as the More Actions menu, located on the right side of the file name. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options provided, you will find Share. By clicking on Share, you will open the sharing settings window. In the sharing settings, you can adjust who can view, comment, or edit the document, but our focus here is to restrict downloads. To do this, look for a gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of the sharing settings window. Clicking on this icon will open a secondary settings menu that contains the options we need. Inside this menu, you'll find a checkbox labeled Viewers and Commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. By default, this box is checked, which means anyone with viewing or commenting access can download your file. To prevent them from doing so, simply uncheck this box. This small action effectively restricts others from downloading, copying, or printing your document. After unchecking the box, be sure to click Save to apply these new settings. And there you have it. You've successfully restricted downloads for the shared file in Google Drive. This adjustment won't affect your access to the file. You will still be able to perform all actions as the file owner. To finalize, it's a good practice to double-check your permissions and ensure everything is set according to your needs. Reducing download capabilities adds an extra layer of protection to the content you share, preserving its confidentiality and integrity. With these settings in place, you can now share your Google Drive files with peace of mind, knowing you're in control of how they're accessed. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.